I made a solitaire game that uses C sharp to make it. See here, I can play music. So I'm just going to say open music. Who made who? I cannot play the music for very long. You'll get flags in the video. So also it lets you do undo, redo, undo all, so I can go back to the beginning. On the options, I can create cards. I can change the background of the board. Let's see here. Use animation. Select a different background of the cards if I want. Let's see, let's pick a good one. That one right here is a good one. So I also put a cheat inside of it. So if I hold the Control Shift Alt, they'll let me know where what are all the cards values, even the ones that are not displayed. Also, they'll go one by one for the draw. I let go of the keys. It'll go back to draw 3. Go to options. Like that. I don't like really bright colors. Use animation. You can set up your own animation. You just say, for example, like say clear animation. I'm going to go and say use real quick, just to show you that the animation works. You see the animation in the background. All the cards are updating. If I wanted to clear the animation, it clears it. I could add animation, open, add to animation. So yeah, I basically cleared out the animation and I reset the animation. What else? I can say open music, ACDC. Give it a second. It basically says off of the thumb drive. So who made who? Um, yeah, options. I am going to make it to where I can create the entire deck. I've been using C sharp for a long time. My son is 29, so 27 years. Since my son was like 2 years old. I like C sharp. C sharp is my favorite language. It used to be Visual Basics, but I like C sharp because you can really do anything. That's basically it.